on that quarter, announced that its breakfast initiative is ahead of plan and raised its full-year forecast. Its stock went down. Now, talk about pounding the table. I was pounding the Wendys countertop to buy the stock. I clearly had no impact. No one was listening, not one bit, not at all. At least not as much as they listened to Chilson Day, whoever the heck that is. And you know what? I love it. I love the whole thing. I love the whole media. First, I mean, if you own the stock, who cares what moves it higher?
Welcome to our channel. Welcome to another one of our videos. Today we're going to talk about Wendys. I got into Wendys stock on Friday, and I'll show you my position right after this. WEN is a ticker symbol. We'll cover CNBC Jim. You heard a little bit about them just a few seconds ago. We're going to cover more of them later on in our video. Our updated news. We also cover the short positions in the stock as well. And I'm going to show you the difference between this stock and some of the other meme stocks for comparison purposes. And then I'll discuss what I'm doing with the stock in my portfolio. All links will be in the below description. Just check them out below. You can go into any of these videos or any of this information. If you're new to our channel, go ahead and click any of the money icons below our videos and to review all our past videos. Please smash the like button and subscribe. So let's get busy. Here's our current position in Wendys. We picked up 500 shares for about $24 a share. We put a covered call against her for 25. The strike price of 25, and it expires on 18 June, which is coming up this next Friday. And we picked up a premium of $357 for us to keep in our pockets. And if we get called away, we get a total of profits of $772 in a 9-day period. Here's what the closing looked like on Friday. The Russell and the NASDAQ beat out the S&P and the Dow. That was pretty good moves at the end of the day. The volume on Wendys was very modest, a little bit above average volume. The share price dipped a little bit because the meme folks, they shot it up all the way up here, the Reddit folks, and then next thing you know, it came back down after Tuesday and Wednesday. All the performance outlooks here, based on Yahoo, is all in the positive green, going northbound. Here's where the analysts are. The low is 23, average 26, and the high is 30. And we're sitting somewhere between the low and the average. Look at the market cap, only $5.3 billion. Let's quickly hit the short ratio. This is a new report that came out for May 28th. There's currently about 7 million shares sold short. It's been coming down. You kind of notice that from 11 down to 10, down to 8, now we're down to 7. So the short interests are dropping. Let's go over here to see AMC once. Remember when I said the Wendys only had a market cap of $5.3 billion? And these guys make money, and they pay out dividends. And I wanted to compare it to AMC. AMC could buy 4 Wendys. 4 to 5 Wendys at this market cap. Their market cap is at $25 billion. That is crazy. Okay, so the Reddit folks can easily take Wendys stock and do the same thing they've done here with no problem. Look at the volume here at the share price of $49 a share, and they pumped this thing up. And look at Wendys volume way down here at 4 million, only at $24 a share. That's why the Reddit community started playing with the stock. And that's why it jumped up to $28. For a couple extra million shares a day, they can jump this thing up to $300 a share if they want to. A lot easier than AMC. That's why I'm interested in Wendys. Not only that, is listen to what everybody else has to say about Wendys. Okay, it's just been upgraded to a buy, and the earnings are looking great. And then they talk about the stock prices, and then the earnings estimates, where they put it at a buy. And they're expecting to earn 74 cents per share for the fiscal year ending December 21st. And they talk about the bottom line. Let's go to the chart, and then let's talk about what Jim thinks. All right, this is the 15-minute interval chart. You see all indices here saying it's bullish, bullish, bullish for long-term, short-term, mid-term. And we're at resistance at 24.14, resistance 24.16. So support's around $22. But I'm telling you, if the Reddit community jumps back into this puppy again this next week, none of this all matters. And as you can see, at the end of the day, I mean, within the last 30 minutes of the day, they jumped up 521,000 shares traded here, and then another 714,000 in the positive direction. And that's what jumped that price up from down here at the 23.93 up to 24.13. So I would not be shorting the stock. This would be the last stock I'd short, because somebody played a game here, and this was a test. This could have been a proof of concept test here that some of the Reddit folks was playing with. So they done the same thing with the other stocks. They played with it for a little period of time before they all jumped in. But I didn't do it just for the Reddit folks. I did it because I'm looking here and how she's been growing and the stock been performing. So I believe this thing's a easy $25, $26 stock on its own without the Reddit community. So that's why I put covered calls against her, and I'm going to stay in these positions as long as I'm making profits, and I'll keep playing with Wendys periodically. So we'll see if we get called away at the 25s or not. If we don't get called away, then we'll roll over our position for the next month, and we might even add to it. Let's listen to what Jim has to say.
You just want it to go up, right? If it's because some analyst raises numbers big or a gigantic dividend boost or a takeover rumor or some guy on Reddit saying great things about the summer salad, what's the difference? Second, so often stocks go higher after people push them, even on TV. And then those same people, they sell the stock. It's a classic pump and dump. But the experience I have seen with the Wall Street bet slung is that they never sell, even when they probably should. They just buy and then buy some more. I got a name for that. It's called honesty. The secret of their success is that their moves are so aggressive they'll wipe out any short sellers who try to bet against them. Until this wrong runs out of firepower like it did in January, you'd have to be crazy to short these stocks. The bettors are essentially running pincer moves on the shorts.
I appreciate you guys watch this video. I try to make these videos short now. If you want to watch the rest of Jim's video, it'll be down below in the description. Click the like button and subscribe to her so you can get our future content. Thank you all and enjoy your weekend. This is Sonny. I'm out.